But anyway, that is our chat. I can't do the laugh again. That's chat re he he.
Come on.
Okay, I'll see if I can do it better this time. Oh man, this is brutal. I can't believe I'm doing this on a live recording.
Well, isn't that an oxymoron?
Yeah. Crap.
No offense.
Anyway,
Not to be
offense
dramatic.
over here. That was chat re.
Good job.
Oh boy, well, that's going on Instagram. Welcome back to the GOAT Marketing Show. I'm your host, John, with our other host, Ben, here. How are you doing? Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. How are you?
I'm good. I'm off next week, going skiing in the Rockies, so I'm feeling. I have to say I'm feeling pretty good.
That's nice. That's a long weekend, and then you come back into an actual long weekend.
Yeah, family day's coming up. Beauty. It's a good month. So I got a couple segments for you today. One of them is a returning segment from our first episode of the year, but it was slightly modified. So why don't we jump into it here? Our first segment is called Chat.
Do it. Do the voice.
Oh, here we go. It's called Chat. Oh man.
Oh, that's gonna be on the internet forever.
That was bad. That lives forever now. Someone's gonna use that. Doug's gonna send me something later today. But contrary to what you might think, there's nothing to do with Scooby-Doo in this segment. We're just gonna be looking at some more funny stuff that AI has produced since the age of ChatGPT. So our first, I want to look at some movie posters that were generated by different AI softwares. So our first one is a poster for Shrek called Stegarks.
See, I thought it would be Saint Gark.
It's also true. It could be a Christmas movie because it looks like there might be snow on the ground and a Christmas tree there.
Yeah. Is he got what's coming out the back there?
He's got a secondary Shrek coming out the back.
Like a conjoined twin?
Yeah, it's like it's almost like Harry Potter. He's the first Harry Potter. He's got Voldemort on the back of his head.
The hands are pretty gross.
The hands are foul.
The hands are really gross.
I think this is a good demonstration of like the dichotomy of AI image generation, because the image in the background is also AI generated. So there's good and there's bad. You just like, I feel like it shows how far the technology has come in the past like months even.
What's the new one that's does a lot better at image generation? I'm totally blanking. Midjourney.
Yeah, Midjourney V6 is very good. I don't think that's what made the Saint Gark. But here's our next movie poster. Star Wars.
The eyes.
The faces in this one are just messed up. The one that it looks like it's supposed to be Leia, like on like the second biggest face underneath Luke, but that looks like a dude to me. That's pretty poor.
Ew.
I think my favorite face is the lowest one, the small
on the bottom, like right there, right above the arm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Golly. Luke looks a little cross-eyed.
Good hair though. They got the hair nice.
Yeah, hair and the lightsabers are pretty cool. And it does look like the style is just boy, oh boy.
And they were so close on the title too.
Yeah.
Really close.
Yeah. Like,
closer than Saint Gark. But here's the next one. The poor ass Guppy. And you'll notice that Forrest Gump in this version, is an amputee, I think.
He's Lieutenant Dan.
Yeah, they've really combined characters.
Does she have 3 arms? And it looks like her hip doesn't really connect.
She's only connected to one of her legs.
I'm also wondering who that's supposed to be. Like, isn't Jenny a blonde?
I think
or maybe she brunette at the end.
No, isn't the whole movie is him telling a story to a woman on a bench? So it's her, but the woman on the bench is like it's supposed to be like an old woman.
They changed though because it starts with the woman who's the nurse, and he's like, "I bet those shoes are comfortable."
Yeah, so maybe it's her or someone. I don't know.
And then she's like, "I remember that when Kennedy got shot."
It's also done in the year 2050, which is an interesting twist. Futuristic Forrest Gump, starring Fosani KJ Ma'am. And now we're on to some ChatGPT ones. This might remind you of one of our favorite Family Feud moments. So the question is, coming up with a 5-letter word that's the opposite of start, and it comes up with stop, finish, and end before it finally comes up with a 5-letter word. Just like alligator.
Oh, it did. So it did get a 5-letter word.
It did get it eventually.
My other favorite Family Feud moment is name a yellow fruit.
Yeah.
Orange.
Yeah, we could just watch that on here. Best of Family Feud. And then our last one here is a favorite. Where's Waldo? Get Dolly to generate a Where's Waldo picture and have fun trying to spot the character.
It should be called There's Waldo.
Yeah. Find anyone else. Have you heard the one where it's Where's Waldo, but it's with a described video? So it's like a man a man wearing a blue bathing suit, a woman in a yellow shirt, a woman lying on a towel, Waldo.
That's awesome.
But anyway, that is our chat. I can't do the laugh again. That's chat re-hee-hee.
Come on.
Okay, I'll see if I can do it better this time. Oh man. This is brutal. I can't believe I'm doing this on a live recording.
Well, isn't that an oxymoron?
Yeah. Crap.
No offense.
Anyway.
Not to be dramatic
over here. That was chat. Good
job.
Oh boy. Well, that's going on Instagram. Our next segment is called chat stacking.
Nice.
And it's also going to be in conjunction with our previous segment we've done called We Can Market That. Today, we are going to show you a new feature that they've added to ChatGPT where you can call in different GPTs in the same chat for different reasons. And we'll show you how you can kind of use that. So if we open up our ChatGPT here, you'll see I've done one already, but we'll start a new one. But the 2 GPTs we're going to be using today are the wonderful Dougbot, styled after our own Doug, and another one that Doug created actually called Copy Critic and Creator. So I'll show you how we use this. Let's start a new chat here. So we had the idea that we wanted to create.
Oh yeah, like the ultimate golf pack.
Yeah.
So we're in with the Waste Management Open right now, and spring around the corner, we're starting to get the butterflies for golf season, and so we wanted to create like the ultimate group golf package for Cabot Cliffs.
Yeah, so I guess what we could identify first here is what we want to include in the package. So the package should include travel, hotel. Would we want to do like
green fees?
Okay, green fees. Do we want to do any like F&B, like food?
Do like a food and beverage package. Maybe like a spa.
I don't think they have a spa there.
No, they should.
They don't have.
Wouldn't that be nice?
Pretty bare bones. That would be very nice. Maybe they do. No, they don't.
You walk 18 holes along the ocean, your back sore, straight to the hot rocks.
Oh, you know, I think we should do like a transportation, like from whatever airport.
Yeah.
I guess that fits into travel, but okay. Can you create summary of what this package like? So I'll put this into the chat. So this would be like the step normally when we're creating a chat where you provide all the like the context for ChatGPT. So if I was really doing this in a real sense, I would provide it background on Cabot. It probably can draw some stuff from the internet on Cabot already, but this is where I would provide all the necessary context and probably stuff like pricing and. Yeah. But I want to see how much. I wonder if it can probably come up with the pricing of this.
We should specify that it's like 3-night stay, 2 rounds of golf.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, see, it can. There's the pricing right there.
3 to 5 per person is actually probably not that far off.
No, especially like if you think about how much, like if that's a full all-in trip.
Yeah, like you're probably going to pay $500 for flights, $500 for the green fees, and then it's meals and hotel.
Yeah, it would probably be more than that for the green fees. Like if you're going in like July or August or something, it's probably you're looking at like $300-$400 around. But yeah, that's good. So now here's what we want to show you in this part is now we can say we want to create promotional material for this. So we're going to call in Dougbot, the best marketing guy we know. So there you just and then you have to have the GPT already saved. Like you see how I have it saved up here. You have to have it already there. But when you just type an you can select Dougbot, and now we're in the same chat, but now we're talking to a different GPT. So we can say, can you create a promotional email for this golf package? And so now Dougbot takes over. There you go. You can see it's typing from Dougbot now. And here's our email. Now, it's not going to be that great right now just because it's running on pretty limited information.
Yeah.
And we're pretty vague with what we wanted to. Like I did not specify any of those details, but
well, that's excluding airfare. Wow.
Oh yeah, I guess with staying I'm trying to remember what the pricing was like, but staying there, I think if you stay in the hotel, you get a discount on the green fees, but I don't know if this would know that, but either way. So anyway, there's your email. Like now, obviously this is not a great email because it's super long and wordy. So what I want to do now is call in our friend, a copy critic and creator GPT, not Riz GPT. So optimize this email. Please rewrite it to be highly readable and link clicks. So I'm asking Copy Critic to rewrite it to be readable and organized to get the most link clicks. So now let's see what that does. So now you can see here when it starts typing. Now it's still in the same chat that we were talking to GPT and Dougbot. Now we're talking to Copy Critic. And so this is just great for like before with ChatGPT, if you wanted to do like these different kinds of things and call in different GPTs, you would have had to create new chats and go back and forth. And then if you're going to set up Dougbot, well, now you have to give Dougbot the context that you've probably already put into your chat already, but now you have to duplicate that. So this just saves a lot of time and effort in terms of like, you only have to set your context once, but now you can use all of the GPTs and they have that context now that they can draw from. And you'll see here that this is although it's still not perfect, this is a much nicer email to read. Like it's shorter, it highlights more things that are important, like the price and kind of what you're getting, travel, golf, food, transportation. And then they have that link there. So that's just a little demonstration about of how that chat stacking, as we call it,
very cool,
would look.
That's awesome. Yeah. I've not used that feature yet. That's really cool.
It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's our episode today. Just a quick one on a Friday. But any final thoughts from you, Ben?
No, I hope you have a good trip. I can't wait to talk about it on the show when you're back. You'll have to find some way to tie in your traveling to AI.
I was trying to find a way to do it today, but I was trying to get ChatGPT to come up with segments related to skiing and snowboarding and also AI, and it's a big leap. So I didn't, but we'll see. But anyway, follow us on socials there. We're on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. But other than that, hope you have a good weekend, and we will see you again next week.
No, we won't. We'll see you the week after.
2 weeks. All right, unless you want to do one on your own.
We'll see. You might get just me.
Or you could get Doug back.
Or we could get Doug
The real
back.
Doug. The real Doug, not just Doug Bot. Okay. Take care, everybody.
See ya.